come back in from a good day. Rained off yesterday, t-shirts today, and we found this in the haul. Got a little box and a big box.
A big effing box.
Have we got a knife?
No, we're not prepared for this.
Right, I'll go and get a knife. And we're back with a knife.
Thank you.
That's quite heavy, that one, isn't it?
I don't know, I've not picked it up. Let's find out why. Box will blow up again.
Whoa.
Ooh.
8 metre tape. How long's that?
5 metre.
2 5 metres.
3 metre.
And a 30 metre. It's got a good that's got a good hook on it. That's the main thing we needed.
Yeah, our other one didn't grip anything.
No. Yeah. Right, it's in the big box.
Oh, I see, so this is the handle.
Yeah. Right, put it that way. Now wind it in. There you go.
There we go.
Let's put your hand in that.
Yeah, this tape's tough.
Ooh.
Oh wow.
Just what foundation bricklayers need. Wellies. Which is handy because Alex has got a puncture.
Yep. I'm with soles.
Oh, aye. Fancy insoles. Are they comfy?
Yeah, they've got a bloody step it.
Look. Let's see the sole. Cool. What we got?
Very comfy.
Pair each. Use those ones, they're yours, they're a little bigger.
Are they both size 10s?
No.
Yeah, these are probably yours then. Try it on.
So there's our little goodie bag. Pair each for me and Alex, size 10, size 9. Here's the box. 30 metre tape, 3 metre tape, 5 metre tape, and an 8 metre tape. And they send some inner soles as well to go in. Give them all a try at work tomorrow. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Click the notification bell and don't forget to press all so you get all our notifications of all our videos. And we'll see you in the next one. Well, our new Wellies have had a good scene to this morning. This was full to the top. Right to the top. Took us 2 hours to sweep it out. It's all caved in, so we had to dig it all out as well. Hand dig it. So the Wellies are good. Quite comfy. Warm enough. So these are the new tapes we've got off Ox. These are brand new, these. Double lock tapes. The blade feels better as well, like better material. You've got double-sided measurements. Metric on the back. That's magnetic, which is quite handy. And you've got the double lock, so you pull the tape out and it just locks automatically. And then you press the button to release it. And then it goes for double locking, where you press the button down and it locks it up completely. Then pull it back up. and press the button in. It can be fiddly, but you will get used to it. And then we also got a 30-metre tape. Which we'll be using to set out with in a minute. Yeah, good claw on the end. Very useful. The other tape we've got isn't very good. You can't use it one-handed. It doesn't have two men because it won't hold on to any blocks. So there we go. Give them a good try today. See how they go. So this will be part 3. This video we've been making for quite a while now. This is all the stuff we've had off Ox over the last couple of months, so it's a bit of a review now. We've had a chance to use all the stuff every day. So let's start with the trowel.
How's your trowel been doing?
I've always liked my Ox trowels. Can't see it. Thank you. I've had about 4 of these now, the Philly patterns. Great trowels. The only thing that lets them down is this bump cap, which I'm told by people at Ox that they have sorted it. We'll have to wait and see. If you bang your trowel enough, it actually works loose and falls out. I think just a bit of arrow tight will probably fix that, but it's a bit of a pity, that's all. So, go on, Alan, what's next? You carry on.
Well, we've got the lump hammer. That's another thing we've been using mostly.
Yeah.
And like 2.5 pounds, but it feels a lot better than like the other lump hammers that we've got.
Just nice balance in it.
Yeah.
So we've only got one of them, so we tend to fight over that. First one to it gets it. So
Yeah. First come, first serve.
Yeah.
But yeah, it performs really well.
Yeah. Right. What's next?
Well, the brick hammer we haven't been using because you've still got one of them. So this
I'm not too keen, to be honest. Much as I like the Ox stuff, it's just not balanced right.
They don't feel as balanced. I think it's because the handle's too thin and the head's heavy, and then like it just.
It's like when you hit a brick.
There's a lot of recoil in it.
Yeah, the weight of the hammer doesn't follow through into the brick. It tends to vibrate in your hand, and it takes a lot more smacks with one of those than it does with the CK one that we like to use.
Yeah.
But hopefully they'll change it. If not, I'm sure it's still a good seller. Doesn't mean it's rubbish, it's just not for us. Next.
The level we've been using at home because we don't really want to mucky this up.
No, we don't want to get dirty, do we?
We've got plenty of crap levels that do that job, but the spirit level performs well.
Mm-hmm.
It feels nice. It's like a thin level as well, so you can get a good grip on it.
I think it's more towards. It says trade on it, but it's very thin, isn't it? So
it feels like a DIY.
Even more of a DIY level, yeah.
Which is not dissing the level. It's still a good level.
No,
like
some of the lads at work have the 4-footers, don't they? And they're like big, chunky, heavy levels, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The tape we started using a bit more now that we're back on the
foundations.
We were back on the footings a while ago. And the claw works a lot better than the old one.
Yeah.
Because it's actually got teeth on it, so they grip onto the block and brickwork.
Yeah, so I can set out while I'm getting a mix in. So the two of us doing the setting out.
Well, it actually clings on.
Yeah.
When our other one just wouldn't stick on, there's no teeth on the other one, so.
Yeah. Nothing worse than getting 20 metres down the line and you bloody tape pins off the other end. The only downside with this again is because it's enclosed, you've got to really keep the tape clean. Whereas the open face tapes, you just chuck it in a bucket of water at the end of the day and give it a wipe. Whereas this, I don't think this one's going to last too long once it gets into the foundations in the winter.
If it's, winter time,
it's going to struggle, isn't it?
Yeah, you've got to, that's down to us.
Yeah, and it is a bit of a pain winding it in with that tiny little winder.
Bucket trowel we've been using exponentially. It's so much more handy than we thought.
It's dirty, isn't it?
Well, it's dirty, yeah, because we've
let the channel down there. That stuff's usually clean. You should have cleaned it before you filmed that.
But yeah, it's one of them things where, like, when you see it on the shelf, you wouldn't think to buy it, but now that we've got it, we don't know what we do without it.
Exactly.
So if you see one of these lying around, just for cleaning up after yourself in work, it's worth a buy.
Very good.
We've managed to get a lot of good use out of it.
Yeah.
And it's got the good handle on it as well.
The old one, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The old handles don't have a bumper that comes off.
That's like welded to the
That's
end,
what my
it?
old trowel. That's what my ox trowel was like, and
Yeah.
the handle still lasts. It's just a blade that worn away after so many years.
Yeah.
And then the tapes. We
weren't sure about these when we first got these, were we?
No, we were kind of figuring out how this worked. But we're getting the hang of it.
Yeah. I'm still struggling with it because I'm not fussed on tapes that lock as you pull them out. Like that. But obviously they're good tapes, so I'll get used to it.
Yeah, they're good if you need like measurements of something. So like if you've got if you're doing a load of cuts, you could get it to what you need. And
I might have to edit that out.
Why?
Because you're talking about a tape measure and you said it's good if you need to measure something. You said it's good if you need measurements of something. That's another one for the outtakes.
You didn't let me finish the sentence. If you need measurements of something, and then like, say we need a 300mm cut, get the measurement, and it stays there. Then you can mark them out if you need to do cuts.
Yeah, I'll take that back.
Yeah.
And then see if it'll pick a trowel up.
It'll pick a trowel up.
Try the bucket trowel. Might pick the bucket trowel up.
Not quite.
It's not one of those neodymium magnets that Rodin uses, is it? But it's handy.
It picks stuff up.
Oh yeah, it's supposed to attach to metal stuff, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like I say, not as good as Rodin's neodymium, or however he says it, magnets. We've got his shirt, so we'll just have to try and invest in one of his magnets as well. So, what's next?
Wellies.
Wellies.
I've been getting good use out of them because my wellies are just broke.
Yeah.
Yeah, they do the job. I'm not putting them on.
No.
But yeah, they're not too heavy. They're pretty balanced weight, and well, they do the job. There's not much to say.
We've not worn them in winter yet, have we? So we don't know how warm they are.
Well, yeah, that's true. But we can always double our socks up if that's not the case.
Because we've always used a different Italian welly, which have got plastic toe caps and plastic midsole, so they're very light and very comfy. But they're very roomy inside, so your feet move around a lot. But these are very snug on your feet.
Yeah, so they don't slip off.
It's just getting used to the extra weight, but they seem solid enough.
Yeah.
And of all bricklaying channels, we're the ones who can endorse the wellies.
Yeah.
Because we're generally ankle deep in shite, pushing it round trenches. That's why it's so frustrating sitting in the sunshine, not being able to work.
We've got more of these as well. We've got a 5 metre and a 3 metre as well, but
that's an 8, isn't it?
yeah, this is the 8.
Yeah. And that's a 30 metre, is it?
30 metre, yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, we've got all 3 different sizes of the tapes.
And we've got we bought the ear defenders, didn't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. They were what, about £4.50 each?
I think so, yeah.
They weren't expensive, were they? So our tool bags are slowly turning blue.
And of course we'd like to thank Ox for sending all these to us.
Yeah.
It's been massive useful.
Yeah. Shout out to George at Ox. He's the one who keeps in touch with us and keeps us supplied with goodies.
So that should do it for this video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the like if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you're new, hit the bell, and what else is it? You hit the bell and then what?
Click the all, and then you get all the notifications then sent to you every time we post.
So yeah, hit the bell and get notified of our posts. We tend to try and upload every week, and we do a premiere at around 7:15 PM UK time. Yep.
We've also just hit 8,000 subscribers, which we are massively grateful for.
Yeah, thank you for 8,000 subscribers. Hopefully we might be able to hit 10,000. No pressure.
Just tell your friends. Make sure they're watching. Subscribe.
It's something to do while you're quarantined, isn't it?
Yeah. If you can't do it, you might as well watch it.
So yeah, thank you very much. We'll see you on the next video.
Yep.
You did yep again.
And then you got you push the button, hold button down. Sign off.
What?
Sign off.
Oh. Alright, let me. I need to get back in position for continuity. And when you're using it with like the hammer, the bolsters, sorry, proper. I don't know.
That's going in the outtakes.
You just pointed camera in my face with no script. And if shit,
I'll leave that in too.